Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create bookmarks in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and this left sidebar you will find this bookmark option. Click here. We can add bookmark to your PDF file three ways. Firstly display your page which one you want to make bookmark, and right click from your mouse and here you will find this add bookmark option. Click here and see this and type your bookmark name and select paste and go in here and click on this page and see this bookmark now created. And also I'll bookmark this text. Drag your mouse cursor and select and see this, and here you will find this new bookmark option. Click here and I'll select the text and go in here and click on this text bookmark and see this. Also I'll create bookmark this image. Click on this image and select, and here you will find this bookmark option. Click here, new image and see this, and go in here and click on this image you're showing and this page I'm showing. This is, see this, and you can remove and add new bookmark. Also you can organize up and down and so on. In this way we can create bookmark on your PDF file and see this, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.